Guys, DXRacer here, and I'm back here with another video. Today I'm here with John, our sponsor.
Hey, clap the cheeks though.
And we are building a DXRacer chair for my room. Now, if you can see over here, I got a new desk, but I'm going to get into that in another video. I'm going to do a whole, room setup tour eventually. Now I have to clean up a little bit.
For an extra special video expected during the holiday season, as far as Christmas break.
So, yeah, I'm going to get onto that. But first, we're going to go build a chair. I'm going to do, a little time lapse for you guys. So, let's just start it now.
Clap the cheeks!
Alright guys, we are back and we have finished the chair and I love it. It's a freaking awesome chair. I probably should have said this at the beginning of the video, guys, but I went for the gray like outline, I guess you want to say, like the design is gray, and then the rest of it is actually like carbon fiber, like stitched leather, and it is so cool. I love this chair. It's really comfortable. I'm going to do a more detailed review about it in another video. This is kind of just more of the unboxing and the setup. And the setup, I just want to say, isn't very hard, but sorry for like the shaky camera. I don't really know. I need to get like a better camera setup. Yo, you got the cup the cheeks. But yeah, I'll do a more detailed review another day. But it's comfortable. The setup isn't that hard. It's more along, you need strength. Like, there was these screws that, like, me and John couldn't get. That we tried for, like...
No, I didn't try. Michael was forcing it.
Oh, yeah, I was forcing it.
We called the Stop and Shop VP to come and help us.
We called my dad up, and he got it. He had to, like, hit it down himself. It was pretty stuck in there. But other than that, that was the only really thing that we had trouble with. But, yeah, guys, I really recommend this chair. A more detailed review on it will be coming soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Johnny, got anything to say?
Hey, clap the cheeks, dope.
Yeah, clap the cheeks, dope. Yeah. Bye, guys.